From now on, I just make cabbage like this. The recipe is amazing. Let's start with one cabbage, and we're going to slice it this way, as you can see on the video. This recipe is amazing, guys. It is super good and very simple to make. Shortly after, we'll need 2 onions, and we are going to slice them very well. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from, so I can send you that special hug on the next video. Let's reserve the onions, and now let's use 1 kilogram of minced meat, and let's season it with your favorite seasons, okay? I put salt, black pepper, fine herbs, paprika, different paprikas. And this moment is the moment to put your favorite seasons. Like I said, mix everything until it's all together. Now we are going to start to make little balls like this, as you can see, okay? Fill your hand with it and make the balls. It's super simple and fast. With the plastic, we are going to open this little ball this way, guys, using a glass to help me. Try to make it very round. Then you just have to take the plastic out. And look how beautiful it is, very rounded. If you have another way to make it, you can do it. In another bowl, let's add 200 grams of yogurt, parsley, and ketchup. Let's mix everything very well. Here we'll have an amazing sauce. Let's put the cabbage in a form with paper on it. Now the onions, the hamburgers, I also put some zucchini on top of it, and let's finish it with the sauce that we have just made. And it's already giving me water in my mouth just remembering this recipe. Now just take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. But keep an eye on it because it will depend on your oven. Maybe it will take less time or more time, so keep an eye on it. And around here, our recipe's already done. And look at this wonder, guys. Seriously, it's amazing. The meat releases its own water, so with that, it cooks by itself, okay? And cooks the cabbage as well. Make it at your house, and I'm pretty sure that you won't regret it.